Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to quickly walk you through the very basics of how to set up a new user account. Most of this will be obvious to most of you, but I'm going to just talk about a few things that I had to set up, things like changing your icon, becoming verified, just kind of navigating YouTube through my channel. The actual interface is a little cumbersome or can be a little overwhelming when you first start off, if you're not familiar with it. So I'm just going to try cover the basics, and by all means, if you want to get more in depth on a certain topic, then just comment and let me know, and I can certainly either comment or make a video to help you out. So again, this is for new users. It's very basic, just high level of creating a channel. I do have another channel that I've had since I think 2012. So I've been around making videos on a different channel for quite some time. So I'm familiar with the interface and the ins and outs of YouTube, but just as anything, things have changed. YouTube's interface has changed, and it keeps on changing. So you kind of just have to become more keeping up with what changes. So the first thing we want to do is head over to YouTube. So if you're probably going to have a personal YouTube account already, I would suggest creating a brand new account if you're looking to upload videos and turn this into more of a business. So head over to your YouTube and either log in, or if you're already logged in, switch accounts, and it will give you an option to add a new account. Okay, so this is just really basic stuff. Create a new account, choose myself or for your business. I went ahead and said manage my business because that's exactly what it's going to be for me. And so you can just enter in either a business name if you want, or your first last name, and an email address. You can get another email address at gmail.com, which I recommend. The benefit of having obviously a Gmail address is you can get 15 gigs of space on their Google Drive, so you can store stuff, videos, stuff like that. Of course, it's a central place and it's all connected to the Gmail or the Google ecosystem, right? So probably that's more than likely what you want to do. So go ahead and create that, and then once you've actually created that, you should now be logged into both Gmail and into your YouTube account. So head back to YouTube, and you'll notice you now have a new account. That's really it. That's really all you have to do. You are now set up for your YouTube account is now set up. Now you can go ahead and customize it and tweak it. Now it will take some time to get used to it, so don't worry too much about it. I think the most part is if you come to your icon just on the right here, you can go to your channel. That'll put you straight there. There's going to be two tabs at the top here, YouTube Studio and Customize Channel. And if you have more than one account, then you can obviously switch accounts. Just make sure when you are uploading videos that you're on your channel. So I always go to my account, I'll go to your channel, and then just to make sure that you're on the right thing. Sometimes you have multiple YouTube accounts and you upload to the wrong channel, so you want to make sure you're on the right account so you don't do that. And then of course you can customize channels. So the first thing you probably want to do is find an icon. Go to Google and just Google public domain images. You can go to just public domain images if you like. Public domain images, and there's a website called, and there's probably a few of these. Just go to a public domain image called Pexels, and you can Google whatever your YouTube channel is going to be about. They've got some defaults here, gardens, and you can just go grab them. And you'll notice free to use images. There's a free to use image at the bottom, so these are free and available to use. You don't have to worry about using somebody else's image or if it's copyrighted. Okay, so grab an image, save it, and then you can go ahead and replace your icon. And by simply go in there to manage your Google account, I believe, go up there. And then you can go to you can just go to edit your image. You can go to drag and drop that image. You can choose there, and it's going to allow you to just change the size and crop it if you want. You can just go to extend that and then set it as your profile picture. That's pretty much it. You can look around this stuff. Go to personal information. I'm not going to go there. It's got some of my personal information there. So let's go out of here. So that's number one, the first thing you want to do. The second thing you want to do is actually you want to actually get verified with Google. That means you need to provide a telephone number. So you can just do something simple. Go to Google and just say how to verify my YouTube account. Okay, there should be a link, verify your support at Google. There's going to be a link on how to do this, verify your channel. You just click on verify your channel. It's going to ask you to enter in a telephone number. It's once you've entered that in, it'll send you a code. You enter the code and you are now verified. That's one of the reasons why you want to do that. The reason why you want to verify your account is so you can actually upload videos longer than 15 minutes. You can add thumbnails, which is important, because without verifying, you're not going to be able to add thumbnails to your account. And thumbnails are a very important part of advertising your videos. So that's something I will talk about at some point. And it's going to help your channel with that. And you know, when you get into like the SEO stuff in terms of marketing your channel, right? So definitely go ahead and verify your account. And to do that, okay, so let's head back to YouTube, and again, make sure you're on your channel. Over here, you can go ahead and start uploading videos. Go ahead and make a video on either your phone or if you have a camera, and then you can go ahead and upload a video. It's pretty much that simple. Once you're here, you can either use the new uploader, which I don't particularly like, and I hope they don't enforce this, but so far it looks like we're going to have to use it. Or for the moment, you can actually just go to the Upload Classic, and they ask you for a reason to do that. So if you're not used to the Classic, I wouldn't even go there. Just try and use the new uploader. You're going to fill out a bunch of information and do it. The Classic is a lot simpler and easier to use, in my opinion, but I guess with the whole change of moving over to because of all the issues with the kids channels and things like that, they had to enforce it and, you know, get you to kind of sign off that you aren't going to be uploading inappropriate channel videos and stuff like that, right? So anyway, so there you go. So that's number one. The other thing you can do, if you go to my channel, and you'll notice there's a couple of sections you customize your channel. So if you go ahead and do that, you're going to have, this is where you add your icon. You can change your channel art as well. I think it pulls channel art from your Google Drive, so that's probably a good reason why you'd want to have a Google Drive anyway. You'll have your videos, which will be empty in your case initially until you start uploading it. You can have featured channels as well. You can have subscribed channels. If you go to About, you'll notice there's something called featured channels on the right here. You can click Edit Module, and you can just paste in a custom URL, and then you go add. So it could be your channel. You can feature channels, someone else's channels, a friend's channel, family's channels. You can go ahead and add that as a feature channel. So when somebody clicks on yours About, they can see you have some featured channels, right? So I think that's pretty much it in terms of getting set up initially. There's other things like, let's go ahead. Yeah, like I said, you know, sometimes you'll be able to go to YouTube Studio and go to my channel. Otherwise, it'll be on your left. Go to my channel there, and then you can get back. These are going to be the two things you can customize your channel. So if you go to YouTube Studio, it allows you to go through look at the analytics, the videos, subtitles, monetization. Monetization only starts once you have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watched videos. So that's going to take you a long time to do. So the sooner you get doing that, start collecting subscribers, and then you need 4,000 hours in a year in order to qualify for monetization. And even once you hit that 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours, it still takes considerable time for YouTube to actually turn on that monetization. So just keep that in mind. Don't make it focus it around just making money, and make it a passion. Enjoy it, enjoy making content, and the rest would really follow. And you can tweak it as you go along, right? Okay, so let's go back to your channel here, and you go to customize channel. So there's that. That's all I can think of at the moment, just to get going up and running. Other things, in order to get like a custom URL, you can actually change this URL to something custom. You need 100 subscribers, so keep that in mind. Once you have that, you can go customize your channel and change that. I think it's over here somewhere. Customize your channel, advanced settings. So I think it's over here somewhere. Anyway, I won't get too much into that. Doesn't really matter. You're gonna need a whole bunch of subscribers anyway. But yeah, just keep in mind you can actually customize your channel with a nice name once you get 100 subscribers. And then yeah, just start uploading content and video. Icons or thumbnails are very important. Keep that in mind. People click on those. If you don't have a nice icon or thumbnail, then you're gonna get less viewers looking at your videos, and having words on your thumbnails helps as well. So I'll get into talking about a little bit about that down the road, and helping you get more set up in creating a new channel, and making it useful. But there you go. Enjoy. I hope you found that useful. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. It does help me out a lot, and I do appreciate all new subscribers to the channel. So thanks for watching.